Assalamualaikum and hi. Before we start our video, I would like to introduce about our group members and our field trip. My name is Nur Amira Nabila binti Suhaimi. My student ID number is 2023424256. And here the list of the rest of the group members. Later, they will introduce themselves. So, for our field trip, we have chosen to study about biodiversity in Uitm Jengka. The study is include of plants, vertebrates, and invertebrates. So, here what we found in Uitm Jengka campus.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatin Ainu Isha binti Azhar. I'm going to present for plants group, which consists of bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. Okay, for the first one, we have bryophyte, for example, mosses. Some characteristics are mosses are non-flowering plants which produce spore and have stem and leaf but don't have true roots. Mosses can impact the temperature of the soil, both warming it up and cooling it down depending on the environment, and some mosses have adapted to low light conditions and are even found growing in caves. Next, we have pteridophyte, for example, bird's nest fern and kangaroo fern. Some characteristics are pteridophyte are seedless and they reproduce through spore. The sporangium are usually homosporous and they contain vascular tissues but lack xylem vessel and phloem companion cells. Besides, we have gymnosperm, for example, damaminia and melinjo. Some characteristics are gymnosperm do not produce flowers. The seed contain endosperm that store food for the growth and development of the plant, and these plants have vascular tissues which help in transportation of nutrient and water.
Hi, my name is Nur Aina Putri Azam binti Muhammad Nasri, and I will continue this presentation with angiosperm. Angiosperm are plants that are produce flowers and bear their seeds in fruits. They are the largest and the most diverse group within the kingdom Plantae and represent approximately 80% of all known living green plants. So, in angiosperm, there is a flower, which is a specialized shoot with up to 4 types of modified leaves. The first one is sepals, which enclose the flower, petals, which are brightly colored and attract pollinators, stamens, which produce pollen, and carpel, which produce ovules. So these are for example of angiosperm. First one is mango apple. The second one is rambutan. This is the flowers that turn to fruit. And then there are trailing daisies and ivy gold. So these are the summary for Kinder Plantae.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Atira. Okay, next in this slide we have amphibian. Amphibian is vertebrate animals. They have thin, smooth, and moist skin. They are categorized under cold-blooded animals. In early stage, they are herbivores, but when they grow older, they become carnivores. As for respiration, in early stage, they breathe through gills, but when they grow older, they breathe through skin and lung. In amphibian, we have two terms, which is oviparous and also metamorphosis. Oviparous is in early stage of life, they live in water as larvae, but when they grow older, they change until it looks like their parents. In this slide, we have example which is Puerto Rican crested toads, dying Persian frogs, and also golden back frog. Furthermore, in this slide, we have reptiles. Reptiles are also categorized under vertebrate animal. They have skin covered with very hard scale that also gives them as a protection. They are also have cold-blooded like amphibian, but they have two conditions, which is for warm up, they rely on heat from surrounding, while for cool down, they move into the water. Next, reptiles' metabolism depends on temperature and environment. Then, they also do not maintain constant internal body temperature. For movement, they crawl or move their belly or small legs for movement from one place to one place. And lastly, for respiration, they breathe through lungs. In this slide, we also have example which is warty thick-toed gecko, leaf snake, and Asian water monitor.
Hi, I am Nur Harisha Nadira and I will explain about aves and mammals. Aves are vertebrate animals. Their forelimbs are modified into wings. They are warm-blooded animals. Their hind limbs are adapted for walking, hopping, perching, grasping, wading, and swimming. They have no teeth and they have sharp eyesight. Next is mammals. Mammals are most dominant form of animals found in almost all types of habitats. They are warm-blooded animals who give birth to their youngest one. They have mammary glands that help them to produce milk to feed their younger one. They respire through lungs and the fall of hair throughout the body.
Hi, my name is Nufarisha Tirapiti. My message number is 2023299724. I will explain about fish, and they are vertebrate. The fish that I found is climbing perch, hampala barb, and tifoid barb. They prove through gills, have fin for movement, and have scale. They also cool-blooded. Okay, next is annelid, which is a vertebrate, don't have an internal skeleton. The body has cemented and respire through body surface. And they also have asexual, and asexual has a form of reproduction. The most common found is earthworm, which is scientific name is Lubicina. Okay, next, mollusca. Which the font is a land snail. and scientific name is Lysacatina fulica. They're found in humid environment. The outer body is soft and slimy. The body are divided by head, visceral mass, muscular, foot, and mental. They have an antennae. The body are covered with calcareous shia.
I would like to continue for Arthropoda. Arthropoda is one of the classes under invertebrates that contain 4 types of subphylum: Seliciformes, Myriapoda, Hexapoda, and Crustacea. But in our field trip, we only found Myriapoda and Hexapoda. For characteristic of Myriapoda, it has distinct head, bearing antenna, and chewing mouthpart. And for Hexapoda, its body divides into head, thorax, and abdomen. For Echinodermata, we do not found in our field trip because these classes only have in a sea, but I will explain a little bit about Echinodermata. An echinoderm is any member of phylum Echinodermata. The adults are recognizable by their radius symmetry and include starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sand dollar, and sea cucumber, as well as the sea lilies or stone lilies. Adult echinoderms are found on the seabed at every ocean depth from intertidal zone to abyssal zone. Echinoderms are the largest entirely marine phylum. The echinoderms are important both ecologically and geologically. So that's all for our presentation of the field trip. We are sorry if there is any wrong, and that's all from us. Thank you.